Look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi distributes 71,000 appointment letters virtually to newly inducted recruits in government departments. Indian Railways collect rupees 42,370 crore more revenue in current fiscal so far compared to last financial year. Three-time former MLA Pinchai Manik's aim decides to come back in state politics. And veteran political leader Bindu M. Lanong to contest as independent from Nongkrem constituency. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday distributed nearly 71,000 appointment letters virtually to newly inducted recruits in various central government departments and organizations in New Delhi. This is the third tranche of Rozgar Mela. Earlier, in November last year, the Prime Minister had distributed 71,000 appointment letters, and in October he handed over 75,000 appointment letters to newly inducted government recruits. Addressing the newly recruits, he said appointments in various government departments will bring a new ray of hope and in the lives of thousands of families, and this Mela is the government's endeavour to empower the country's youth, and more recruitment will be done in the coming years.
व्यापक बदलाव हुआ है। केंद्रीय सेवाओं में भर्ती प्रक्रिया पहले की तुलना में ज्यादा स्ट्रीमलाइन और टाइम बाउंड हुई है। साथियों, आज आप भर्ती प्रक्रिया में जिस पारदर्शिता और जिस रफ्तार को देख रहे हैं, वो सरकार के हर काम में दिख रहा है।
Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw has said that Indian Railways has collected rupees 42,370 crore rupees more revenue till date in comparison to revenue mark achieved in last financial year. He said Indian Railways had achieved total revenue of 1,91,128 crore rupees in financial year 2021-2022. The minister expressed happiness over the achievement, saying that the feat has been achieved 71 days before the completion of the current financial year 2022-2023. Three-time former MLA Pinchai Manik's aim has decided to make a comeback in state politics by contesting as an independent from Millim constituency with his daughter Taylina Thankyou, a former member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, rendering all possible support to her father. The father and daughter have joined hands with the hope that the people of the constituency will once again repose their faith in the family. Same, who had earlier contested from Mauplang constituency, said he has decided to once again contest from Millim constituency as an independent candidate. He also argued that it would be wrong to say that he had abandoned the people of Millim constituency in the past 15 years.
Unity is strength. Kelarang indar ke unity ni yang tekum no. Mentah abang ayat yang kum ni ngijok lang kum ni. Iyo armut kinong tray po Millim constituency. Ngarung adan linear adan. Te ngila ban jabe ikijik jong kipai ba kan. Na koi kapor sui kapor ke. Mar kam tam ngene kapor ko ba kriki bat ka ba bon ba kijik tang woi omeli tang woi nong mikmat le se undum la ban pe di ki bro khai. Te linear adan lupa ke experience. Te ngarung lada ngadon lupa ke experience. Tengok isuk bahkan menteri pajak jangan Millim constituency berokoi.
Tilada mai hijab. Kemud ngarung ayo menteri lang menyerap lang mai. Nadu ki pori ba mensyok bangam palong nang mikmat ru bagi dang long mai ku mo melihat. Ajus mutanat menyerap iki pajak.
Veteran political leader Bindu M. Lanong, who is contesting as an independent candidate from Nongkrem constituency in the upcoming assembly polls on Friday, said that he was denied the ticket from the United Democratic Party due to intrusion of businessmen into the party. While speaking to reporters, Lanong, who is the founder member of the UDP, has also accused that party president and general secretary were involved in denying him the party ticket. The veteran political leader also said that he will return to his parent party after the elections. Earlier, former independent MLA of Nongkrem Lambor Malnyang has defended that the UDP has given him the party ticket after they have carried out a proper survey at the ground.
So UDP is no longer, the party that I have expected to be. Had it been with me, there together, we could have reached 15, 16. But 30.
It's out of the question.
30, I think, is
Exaggeration.
a figment of imagination.
So I don't want to say anything on that. The party, they have decided the best. They have gone to the ground. They have done the survey, proper survey. I've been there with the people for more than 20 years, and people are with me, and I'm with the people. So on these, accounts, so the party has decided to, allow the party to get to me.
External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has said India will stand by Sri Lanka in its hour of need to overcome the challenges it currently faces. He added that India has taken proactive steps and extended financial assurance to the IMF without waiting for other creditors. Dr. Jaishankar added that India is a reliable neighbour and a trustworthy partner who is prepared to go the extra mile. He said this during his official visit to Sri Lanka. With this announcement, India has become the first creditor nation to extend assurance towards restructuring the debt of Sri Lanka as the island nation makes efforts to unlock bridge financing package from IMF.
Energy security is today one of Sri Lanka's most serious challenges. A search for solutions must necessarily encompass the larger region. Only then will Sri Lanka get the full benefit of scale. This country has enormous renewable energy potential that can become a sustainable source of revenue. It has the capability as well for Trincomalee to emerge as an energy hub. In its support for Sri Lanka, India is prepared to be a reliable partner on such initiatives.
Shad Sajer, a traditional celebration of the people of Rad Marbet in Riboy, concluded on Thursday. The festival gives thanks to God for the harvest. It began on January 17th, the first time in 3 years since the beginning of COVID-19 pandemic that it was able to be held, and was closed yesterday by traditional head of Rad Marbet, Ken Siem, who administered the offerings to God. Others present at the closing ceremony were the Basan of Himamalim Nathaniel Thank You, Mintri K. Langste, and headmen and local people of the Rad. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 15.2 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 4.7 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 56% and in the evening 61%. Forecast weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi distributes 71,000 appointment letters virtually to newly inducted recruits in government departments. Indian Railways collect rupees 42,370 crore more revenue in current fiscal so far compared to last financial year. Three-time former MLA Pinchai Manik's aim decides to come back in state politics. And veteran political leader Bindu M. Lanong to contest as independent from Nongkrem constituency. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.